Hello, assalamu alaikum. And today's video actually will learn the linearity test, how to do the linearity test in the SPSS using the SPSS, right? So as used previously, this is the student's performance data. So I would like to investigate these three variables, linearity, right? So to do this, we go to the analysis, right? And go to the compare means, and you will see here the means, right? So for testing purpose, I'm writing one variable, for example, the math score, independent variable, reading and writing score in the independent variable, right? So in options, you will have lots of options, right? You can do anything. On the other hand, I'm just curious to investigate the ANOVA table and the test for linearity, right? So continue and click OK. So here you will find the report, right? So this is the main ANOVA tables actually, right? So please see here deviation from linearity, right? So see this portion, right? And the significant level is greater than 0.05, right? It means p-value is greater than 0.05. Okay, 0.05. P-value is greater than 0.05. On the other hand, if I go to the next session, I mean here, right? So if I go to the next session here, if we see this, the deviation from linearity and this significant level, right? So it's also, I mean, the p-value is greater than 0.05, right? So we can say the variables, right? Variables group are, I mean, have the linear relationship, right? The linear relationship. On the other hand, if the variable a significant level is less than 0.05, right? I mean, like this, p-value is less than 0. Oh, sorry, 0.05, 0.05. The p-value is less than 0.05. Data, the variables will have no linear relationship, right? As this, all these values, I mean, this deviation and this result, all the values are greater than 0.05. It means the variables are, which variables? These three variables, so the math score, reading score, and these variables are linear, have the linear relationship. Okay, so in this way we can investigate the linearity test. Okay, after the next video. Bye bye.